As part of your theory test, you need to do a case study. This is where you'll watch a short 20-second video, then answer 3 questions about what you've seen in the video. You can watch the video as many times as you need to. Let's go over a case study example now. Watch this video, then we'll go over 3 questions. Who should be using lane 1 on a motorway? Is it all vehicles, emergency vehicles, large vehicles, or slow vehicles? If you can think about what the right answer is before you see the 4 options, you'll find it so much easier because you all know the answers, or you've got a good idea. Show the video again. Who should use lane 1 on? I mean, it doesn't always happen. It does generally happen, but it doesn't always happen. But lane 1 should be used by all vehicles. Look, we are overtaking. We're going faster than this car, and we are going faster than this car, so we're moving out. We're moving out because we're overtaking, which is fine. Once we've finished overtaking, we'll get back to lane 1. There is a lane on the left alongside lane 1. What is this lane called? There's a lane on the left alongside lane 1. What's the lane called? What's this lane here called? Awesome. Is it the slip road? The central reservation? The hard shoulder? Or is it an emergency refuge area? Please tell me if you don't know. I've got an image I can share with you, a picture to show you if you don't know the answer. So please tell me. IDK means I don't know. Okay, well, let me share with you my picture. So we've got a 3-lane motorway. Lane 1 with a red car. Lane 2's got a blue car with a caravan. Lane 3's got a yellow car. This lane here, next to lane 1, is an emergency lane. A lane that you go into in an emergency if you've broken down or something. It's called the hard shoulder. This road here that's taking you off the motorway is called the slip road. You use it to go off or go onto a motorway, the slip road. And then this middle bit here, where you've got a crash barrier, that's called the central reservation. The centre of a motorway is the central reservation. So does that help? Please take a screenshot. The lane on the left next to lane 1 is called the hard shoulder. Awesome. When are you allowed to cross the solid line around the Chevron road markings? So this is a solid line here. These arrows are the Chevron road markings, and this is the solid line around it, a line with no gap. When are you allowed to go over those chevrons? Is the answer only in an emergency, only when the motorway is busy, only when overtaking, only when the motorway is very quiet? They are solid. Those lines are solid with no gaps. So the answer is well done, only in an emergency. Watch the next video to learn more tips and visit testbuddy.app to enrol in theory test course.